Parasha of this week is Tazria. Parasha Tazria talks about birth of human beings, man and Zohar, and the tomb of human beings. Last week, Parasha Torah talks about animals. This week, Parasha Torah talks about human beings. Last week, Parasha Torah tells us which animal is Tameh, which animal is Tahor. This week talks about human beings when become Tameh, Israel when become Tameh, when become Tahor. Now, what's the difference? Last week tells us an animal is Tameh, stays Tameh forever. It doesn't change. The pig is Tameh forever. It doesn't change. But human beings are fluctuating. Tameh, Tahor, Tahor, Tameh. And that's the destiny of human beings. Human beings that it's true, that's Tameh and stays like a Tameh, that works like an animal, functions like an animal. Animal is Tameh, stays Tameh. But Jews becomes Tameh, becomes Tahor, becomes Tameh, becomes Tahor. And that is the highlight of humanity. The highlight of the humanity is that we could uplift ourselves. We could change ourselves. We could make a better person out of ourselves. Animal stays Tameh and Tameh. Now, if somebody comes to you and says that I have anger problem, I can't do anything about it. I have this type to contaminate myself. I can't do anything about it. We tell him, no. Torah says, last in parasha, pig cannot do anything about this tumor. But human beings that have neshama. Neshama could elevate a person. But that happens as long as the person wants to change. There's the motivation of changing. If there is no motivation, the person doesn't want to change, nothing could change. Change comes about, the first point of changing, first primary point that we need is that he should want it. The greatest psychologists, greatest people say that if he wants to change, then he could change any type of midah. Person doesn't want to change himself, no therapy, no psychology, no Torah, nothing helps. Person has to want to change himself. And this is Parsha talks about that's why HaKadosh Baruch Hu created human beings, animals first, and humans later on. First talk about animals, that talks about human beings. That's that human beings are the purpose of the creation, that human beings, Adam should learn from all of these animals and elevates himself. I'm not animal, I could change. Here also, Tumah B'Tara was said first and then Adam. That Adam should pick to be that sperm, should be that Tzelem Elokim that was created in a person, that empowers the person to change, no matter what the situation is. If a person feels that he cannot change, the person should tell himself, no, not changing is the animalistic attitude. Adam has power that to change and to make himself better.